guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I will be doing a unicorn collection. They're just random things that I have and they're all in this like box, this little treasure box. Let me just get into the collection. Okay, so I'm just gonna start pulling stuff from the treasure chest. First thing I see here is your magical plate. This is from Target and I saw this in the dollar section and I was like, I need to get this. This catacorn. So it's pretty much a unicorn cat and I got this at a local boba spot. Unicorn headband, so cute, and it's from Amazon, and my Halloween unicorn costume, which you can find right here. Pieces that are unicorn. So we have this one right here and this one as well. They're both super cute. They're unicorn slippers and I love them. So this is what they look like. They just have the pink unicorn like that. I also have these unicorn socks and they look like this. They have the rainbow and then the unicorn right here. How cute are these? They're knee-high socks, so I love these. I also have these purple socks and they have rainbows like that. I also have these socks. These are so pretty. They're pink with unicorn heads. Unicorn shower cap. It's hot pink and it has a unicorn. The horn is so pretty. It has rainbow like that. I also have this unicorn notebook. My favorite, this is a pocket coloring book and it's unicorn theme and it looks like that. So this is what the inside looks like. Unicorn necklace and it looks like that, and these are the earrings. These are so pretty and it's pink. I love that. Unicorn bag. You can put makeup or like school stuff and it's so cute. It has like a galaxy backdrop with unicorns and hearts. This one is so funny. It's unicorn poop and it's unicorn slime poop and it's pink and glittery. I'm not gonna open it, but here it is. So I have this unicorn pom-pom and it looks like that. Unicorns are my spirit animal. Hand sanitizer. This is so pretty and it's a unicorn bedazzled keychain. Look at that. So cute. Just a few more items. So this is a unicorn nightlight. Check this out, guys. Like, what? It's as big as my head pretty much and it looks like this. So pretty. Love the horn, and the horn has like the lights up here. Also have this unicorn luggage tag. It's so sparkly and glittery, so cute. We'll definitely be putting this on my luggage, and that's pretty much it. This is the front of the treasure chest. It just says dream big and it has a beautiful unicorn right there. It says believe in magic. And I love this. This is like the only clothing item that I own that's unicorn. It's just a black sweater and it has a unicorn emoji right there. And then I have two blankets and this is one of them. I love both blankets. So this one has a mint green background with different colored unicorns like that. And then I have this pink blanket. It has a unicorn right there. I will show you guys laid out because the camera does not do it justice, but it's so soft and it's so pretty, so I'll show you. And let's not forget my phone. That's definitely unicorn-esque. So this is how my phone looks like. If you do want to see an in-depth video on my phone, please check it out. I show you the unicorn theme that I have on my phone. It's so pretty and it's so cute, so definitely enjoy if you love unicorns. And that's the end of this video, the end of my collection. If I have more items in the future, I will definitely do another collection. And like this video if you did, subscribe if you haven't already to see more videos of mine, and follow me on Instagram. I do post a lot, and I post on my Insta story stuff that I do buy, and sometimes I'll find unicorn stuff and I'll just like show you like where I'm at, like Target or wherever I'm at. So follow me on there, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!